Here we go.
Yeah, if they want $200 or something.
Yeah.
The fridge, you remember we bought the fridge at $300. Oh, whoa! What the fuck?
Start recording emergency video.
It's against the. There's a sign there saying no left, no right turn. So why is she fucking doing a right turn against the sign?
Recording complete.
Oh.
Start recording emergency video.
Well, that's a good. What the fuck are you doing? Oh.
Recording
Serious.
complete.
Oh, far out.
Start recording emergency video.
What's he doing? What are you doing?
You're not very bright, are you?
Yeah, righto. Fucking cockhead.
Red line speed camera. You need to be on the getting and/or getting a kidney transplant. So, yeah, that statistic kind of blew me away when I heard it.
Fucking idiot!
Are living with kidney disease, and so many don't know. 2 million Aussies have it, and
Oh, good on you.
Oh,
That's a
yeah,
good
the
one.
wrong lane.
Hey, Hero. He had his indicator on too.
Yeah, he changed his mind for the last minute.
There's another one for Scotty.
Retinal health gummies, which let me say,
Fucking dopey
Lemmy,
bitch.
clinically studied SNZ 1969. And awesome, the skeptical movement is in the region. This is episode 395. I'm your host, Annika Harrison, and joining me this week is my co-host, Pontus Bergman. Hello!
Hejsan
Jason, how are you, Annika?
Good, good.
Mm-hmm.
As we can see, Andras is not
Oh, straight
here
through the
today.
red light.
Changing for the better. We're on it. See our website for details. Harvey Norman Factory
Fucking
Outlets
stupid
have just
bitch.
received truckloads.
Fuck you.
That's right. Truckloads of discontinued and carton damaged Samsung stock.
Tomorrow, right now, it's 19 degrees at 3:07. October is
Fuck
safe
are you
work
doing,
month.
mate? You
A time
can't.
to come together, share information, and exchange ideas to build healthy and safe workplaces for everyone. Can benefit by joining WorkSafe in free events, where you'll hear from health and safety professionals, leaders, and inspectors.
Middle of the road, you're fucking wrong. Jesus.
J52FA.
Oh shit, not good.
What the hell is going on?
Oh, you fucking idiot. That was just stupidity.
Tell you what, shitbag titty fucker of the week.
Fucking cockhead.
South of the river.
Moving people's freedom of movement, you
It's
can't do
southeast London, basically, but a bit more southeast, but it'll still be very accessible. I mean, look at Disneyland Paris. I mean, it's out in the boondocks, but they don't have any problem being for people. No.
Sure you can
sales for over 25 years, and during that time, they've never lost any investor capital. Google First Mortgage Trust or call 0800 321 113. To view product disclosure statements, go to fmt.co.nz.
I'm in the sport on your
Sport, you know, the 20 to 30s as well as that. If we could help them see.
Oh, another red white again.
Manual recording on.
YLE71T. Whoa. Again, you're not going to use the turning lane. That's the second time you've done that.
Oh, this guy doesn't have his lights on. Barely can
What an absolute bastard.
Oh, it didn't work out well. I think you're in every one of those.
Yeah, I know.
Recording complete.
You're listening to The Fat Lady Sings on Double Clef FM.